Are you freaking kidding me?
Solji, how dare you use sound ideas, children? Crowd, small studio audience of children. Big cheer, cheering oh one in your stupid pink food video like that, even though I like the color pink.
You know the kids cheering sound effect is horrible. You should have used Hollywood Edge's 10 kids cheering.
Did you listen? No, you didn't listen to us. And used the stupid kids cheering sound effect. Now you're a Cookmate wannabe, a Jeff Morrow wannabe and a Trench Family wannabe.
This will be your punishment. The scary jump scare from 1984.
That's what you get for using the SFX. Man, I wish the sound effect will get interrupted.
End of call out.